chicken wings roasted and marinated with sweet potatoes. Got mixed stalky herbs in here, and also including parsley and a little garlic. That goes into there. Ground cumin, ground sweet paprika, ground pepper and salt. Little olive oil, and then give it a good mix. And put onto the tray. And then we roast in the oven for about 30 minutes on 160 degrees, 30 to 35 minutes on 160 degrees. Preparation of oven roasted sweet potato chips. This is quite versatile and can go with numerous amounts of dishes. If there's a potato about this size, peeled sweet potato, cut it in half if it's about that size, and then cut into wedges. Layer them out onto the tray. Salt and pepper, drizzle of olive oil, and then into the oven. It'll take approximately 15 to 20 minutes, so about halfway through the cooking process. Just turn the sweet potatoes over. Present the sweet potato rustic style on the center of the plate. And then with the wings, just we'll garnish around the edge side, or present it around the edge of the sweet potato. Depending on size, 5 or 6 pieces proportion, and then finish with some chopped herbs.
I know this video was good, so if you like this, you'll definitely like this one.